Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python Requests Get with Data. Introduction. The Python requests library is a powerful tool for making HTTP requests. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using the requests.get method with data parameters. This is particularly useful when you need to send data to a server via a GET request. We'll cover the basics of using the requests library, provide code examples, and explain common scenarios. Prerequisites. Before you begin, make sure you have the requests library installed. If not, you can install it using requests.get with data. The requests.get method allows you to include data in the request by using the params parameter. This parameter takes a dictionary of key-value pairs, where each key-value pair represents a query parameter. Basic example. Let's start with a simple example. Suppose you want to retrieve information from an API that requires a query parameter, such as an API key. In this example, we pass the API key as a query parameter using the params parameter in the requests.get method. Handling multiple parameters. You can include multiple parameters in the request by adding more key-value pairs to the params dictionary. Encoding URL parameters. The requests library automatically encodes the parameters in the URL. However, if you need to customize the encoding, you can use the erlib.parse.erl encode function. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored using the requests.get method with data parameters in various scenarios. Whether you're working with API keys or custom search queries, the requests library provides a convenient way to interact with web APIs. Experiment with these examples and adapt them to your specific use cases. ChatGPT.